Okay, so currently what we have is our form with subform. Now, as I stated before, it is very important to ensure that your relationships are attached. So just as a once over, we're going to go and check our relationships one more time. Database tools, and we go to relationships. We want to make sure that our foreign keys and our primary keys are working together. My primary key in cases is called docket number, DOCKET docket with a space in between, number. My foreign key is called docket number, DOCKET with a space in between, number. They're both spelled the same way, so when I drag my primary key onto my a foreign key inside of panels, it works. Same thing when I drag judge ID or JID from judges onto JID in panels, it works because they're spelled the same. They must be spelled the same to prevent errors. Okay, close that out. Now we're going to go to judges. Now, what I did before, because I didn't have any information on any judges, I went and created my own judges, right? So I went to judges and I created 4 judges. Notice I have Bob Marley twice. But the reason it sees this as 2 different Bob Marleys is because my judge ID, right, is different. So I have Bob Marley JC123 and I have Bob Marley NB123. And as far as our database is concerned, these 2 Bob Marleys are 2 different people. Just like you can have 2 people with the same names, that's the same thing here. Now, let's get back to our main point. Getting information into the database with the use of a subform. As it says here, use this form to enter data for 5 new cases. Okay? So we're going to close this right here. Here we are in judges. We created it just before in the previous video, and it selected a random judge. You can actually put in the judges by the information that we currently have. You just go back there and you'd enter it in here. But right now, we have the judge ID CR123. That's Billy Brown. He was appointed 17 March 1990. Now, we're going to give him a case. I'm going to get a new docket number and I'm going to give him a case. Now, I don't want to make any mistakes in terms of docket numbers because we have a few. So I'm going to check. Go back to cases. All of our cases are AZ. Come all the way down, right? There's one AZ 1999. I created this before as a experiment. It worked, so it's here. So I'm gonna try AZ 998, and I'm going to give it to that judge. So I'm gonna go here. Docket number AZ 998. Short description. Rabbit versus man. Call it country of origin. Let's say it's St. Kitts and Nevis. St. Kitts. Sorry. St. Kitts. Date of final judgment. I'm going to say the 1st of this month. Duration of the case, I'm going to say 3 days. Type of case, well, rabbit versus man sounds more like a civil case, so I'll say civil. Number of sitting judges for this, I'll say 1. You may choose any amount, right? You could choose 5, you could choose 1. The amount is up to you. I'm just choosing 1. Administration fee for civil, I can't remember correctly, but I think it was 37,000 or 35,000. You will have to refer back to your SBA to find out the information. Okay, one more. Stipend amount is always 500. And then finally, we do our case cost. So stipend is calculated, let's see, it's $500 per judge per day. So duration was 3 days, is 1500. 1500 plus this will give us 38,000, 38,500. 38,500. Okay, and then we press enter. And there we have it. Now we've successfully created a new case under Billy Brown, Judge Billy Brown. And now to check it, we would go to our judges table. We would go to Billy Brown. And as you can see, AZ 198 is now his case. It's right on his. That's because all of our tables are linked together in relationships. So I created one case on the Billy Brown. Now you can do the same thing. When you have to add your 5 new cases, you would follow the same procedure. All right, on to the next video after this.